Tired of messy wires and chaotic desks? In today's video, we'll show you the best cable management solutions to keep your setup clean, organized, and stress-free. We upload daily to help you discover top products that make life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected. Number 1. Johto Cable Management Sleeve. These cable management sleeves from Johto are made of neoprene, a flexible and stretchy material that can hold from 8 to 10 cords. The 4-pack of sleeves is simple to use, convenient, and caters to a variety of needs for home or office use. The sleeves feature zippers that are designed to connect 2 sleeves, which widens each sleeve and allows for a larger capacity for thicker or more numerous cables. They are also customizable. Cut slits directly into the sleeves for cords that are shorter, longer, or need to be separated. Overall, this is an easy-to-use cable management solution. If users don't need to make modifications, they can simply place the selected cables inside the sleeves, zip them up, and they're done. This design prioritizes inserting the cables and leaving them in place for a while, so if users plan on frequently removing or adding cables, this may not be an optimal product for their needs. Number 2. Yekke Updated 94-inch J-channel Cable Raceway. Most office spaces are overrun with cables from computers, printers, routers, lighting fixtures, and more. This innovative desk organizer boasts a minimalist design and includes 6 15.7-inch sections that total 94 inches of flexible channeling to remove cables from the floor. These sections fit underneath or behind a desk and are attached vertically or horizontally to keep dangling and jumbled cables out of the way so they're not a hazard to pets, kids, or even the vacuum cleaner. Installing these channels is easy thanks to the adhesive tape. Once they're adhered to a desk, it's recommended to wait a full day before organizing and adding the cables. The versatile nature of the design lets users rearrange and remove cables at their convenience without the hassle of undoing the entire set. Number 3. D-Line Cable Raceway. For cables that span across the length or width of a room, this on-wall cable cover from D-Line made of PVC pipe is a subtle solution, blending in nicely along the wall. Use this cable cover over molding, trims, and baseboards and behind desks or other furniture. It's available in an array of colors, but it's also easily paintable if none of the options match a current wall color. Installation is quick and easy. Simply decide the placement. Remove the strong self-adhesive backing and place the cable cover over the selected and clean area. Keep in mind that it's important to be certain of where the cable cover should be placed because it can be difficult to remove or change position later. Stylish design. D-Line on-wall cord covers have a decorative half-round profile for a superior finish. Great for hiding wall-mounted TV wires, with the profile subtly blending with decor. D-Line Raceway is also used for organizing cords above baseboards, with D-Line appearing as the natural top section of the baseboard. Longer 39-inch lengths supplied per pack require less connectors versus shorter lengths to ensure a neat appearance can always be maintained. Number 4. Vyakki Adhesive-Backed Adjustable Cable Clips. Secure an array of cables in a family room entertainment center to the multitude of power cords that keep an office space functional with these cable clips from Vyakki. At less than 1 inch by 1 inch, these cable clips are small while keeping spaces tidy and organized. Made of industrial-strength nylon that can handle high temperatures, they're also designed for durability. Both the opening for the cable and the hook are adjustable based on the width of the cords without the need for attaching screws or punching holes. The adhesive is strong and will adhere to different surfaces, including plastic, glass, faux wood, and metal. If users plan to add or remove cables frequently from their space, these clips are ideal. Number 5. Taiga Bamboo Cable Management Box. Looking for a more eye-catching option to conceal cables? This cable management box from Taiga is made from sustainable bamboo and features a stylish design that can serve as a minimalist piece of home decor. The box is spacious enough to store up to 2 power strips and their corresponding cables, keeping them out of sight. Velcro ties are included to keep the cables tucked neatly inside. Though it may seem like a relatively expensive option to choose a decorative box to store cables and power strips, users will likely find themselves opting for a second or third one because of how effectively it keeps cables hidden from view and serves as an attractive piece of home decor as well. Choose from 5 colors: white, natural, antique brown, cherry brown, and black.